Welcome to this HTML tutorial. In this lesson, we'll learn how to build a simple website from scratch using Visual Studio Code. First, go to browser. Search for Visual Code Studio Code. Download Windows 10. A recommend first thing you do is install extension live server. Create new folder. Create new file. Name it index.html and style.css. Start with exclamation doctype HTML. HTML lang. We create header, body, and inside body we create main, and last footer. We'll start with simple structure, the header, body, and footer. Let's start with head. We link our CSS using link relation. We name it style sheet. Hyperreference equal style.css. Style.css. Next is the title RBSES H3 for basic web page. By right-clicking HTML and clicking live server, we can see our web page. Import word inventory inside Anchor. A, we will add H hyperreference. Okay, we're done with header. Now we work main. I would like to add image. I have image here, HTML logo, and let's drag it to our file. Image source HTML logo.png. We will name it h2 HTML. And this is the progress. Inside main, we will add a paragraph. Double it. Then let's go to a footer. We add copyright reserved, as you can see. So we will add break, and we will add a blank hyperlink, hyperreference. We'll make it smaller using small. We will add HR. It's a line here also. Alright, we've finished building of our basic HTML website. You might notice that with just HTML, the website looks very plain. That's because HTML is mainly about structure. So think of HTML as skeleton of a website. I will showcase how I can make this look presentable with CSS. Here's the same website, but now with CSS applied. Notice how the plain structure comes to life. I also make the navigation bar and image changing color when mouse cursor touches it. Okay, that's it for my tutorial. We made a simple website using HTML and then we added CSS.